Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back into my channel. In today's video I play this amazing game in the modded one, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you also the first part of the gameplay, always in the modded one. Let's go guys! So you should write the name right here. Perfect guys, here it is, tap right here. So all you have to do is to tap right here again. If you're using Android, everything will be automatically. In iOS you do something I will show you, but more important for me is to give a feedback. To say something about the gameplay or the way I will play it in the modded one. So please say something, comment below, write in the chat box, whatever guys, just give a feedback. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, you can mail me and I will give you the right answer and solution back by mail. At 100% we will go at the settings, so all you have to do is to be a little bit patient guys, and please stay with me until the end of this video. Okay, so after that we should go at the settings and you'll see this profile pop right here. Tap it guys. As you see, all you have to do is to tap right here, and next, tap again, and done. Let's see guys. Okay, perfect, everything looks just fine, so now we can enjoy the first part of the gameplay in the modded one. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay and enjoy the first part of the gameplay in the modded one. Perfect guys, let's start now. This is a sign of mod menu. So you will get unlimited resources automatically activated at the top, as I will show you. Also this mod menu where we can make some changes that you want guys about the game speed. Okay, just wait a few seconds more. Now it's connecting. After the connecting, the game will start automatically. And you have unlimited resources already there guys, so you have to do nothing. As you see, you have unlimited resources, but if you want some changes, tap right here at the mod menu, as you can change guys the game speed, also unlimited resources. That's it guys, so you have this mod menu with unlimited resources, also with mod menu where the game change of the speed. That's it my friends. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe, give a like, and I'll do another video for the second part of this tutorial. See you next video, bye bye everyone!